the good people over at Home Depot helped supply me for this upcoming project. XPS foam. It's good for insulating and signs. Alright. So I'm using Inkscape to communicate back and forth with my client right here. This is the design that they sent me to work from. Looks like some kind of postcard or something. So I've taken that design and scaled it up here. And I'm able to show them what it would look like with a 6-foot tall person standing next to it. Here's something I should have known. A 4 1/4 inch blade. Sadly, only cuts 3 1/2 inches deep. My only other option is this massive blade, which I believe is 9 inches. I think I'm going to modify this because who in the world would ever need to cut 9 inches? So I have no idea if this is going to work in this air gun here, but if it does work, I realize that I don't have enough and I'm going to have to go shopping for more at Walmart on Black Friday. How fun!